الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا حبيب الله. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As we all know that children are the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal. While valuing this blessing, the parents should pay special attention to the upbringing and nurturing the children, because the children are like a blank paper and any type of decorative patterns can be drawn on it. The lap of a mother is the first school for the children. It is for the reason of upbringing by a mother has a very deep impact on her children. The sacred status of motherhood demands each mother to give excellent upbringing to her children, especially the female children, with Islamic culture, civilization, and moral values. Because today's young girl will be a mother tomorrow. So it is necessary upon us that we should provide Islamic education to our children and family members, teach them good things, and impart to them that education of respect which is very necessary. In the very first place, teach your daughter glorious Quran and teach essentials of Islam, Islamic beliefs, purity, salah, and other rulings which are the part of day-to-day life. Thereafter, make arrangements to educate her skills of needlework by any pious woman, as women most often need to do it. Try to enable her to acquire expertise in cooking and other home economics skills, as the refined and well-mannered woman can lead a better life than an unmannered one. The pious people used to give special attention to the upbringing of female children. We have two beautiful examples regarding the tarbiyat of female children. Number one, a pious tabi'i personality, Sayyiduna Sa'id bin Musayyab Makhzumi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh. He married his daughter to one of his students. Next morning, when her husband, taking his sheet, means his clothes in his hand, was about to leave his home, she asked him as where he was going. He replied that he was going to the majlis of Sayyiduna Sa'id bin Musayyab rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi for gaining Islamic knowledge. The daughter said, "Please be seated. Let me teach you Islamic knowledge." And number two, it is stated that when a glorious hadith book named Al-Muwatta Imam Malik, which is authored by Imam Malik rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi, would be read in the court of Imam Malik rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi, and the reader would make any mistake or would miss or add any letter unintentionally, then his daughter would knock the door. Imam Malik rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi would understand that the reader has made a mistake. So he would say, "Read again, you have made a mistake." When he would read it again, he would really observe a mistake in his reading there. So look, what a great upbringing of our pious predecessors gave to their daughters. They grew them up into a practicing alima and hafiza of a Quran and hadith. It is also learned from the second example that our pious predecessors, rahimahumullahu ta'ala alayhim ajma'een, used to persuade their daughters especially to observe parda. The daughter of Imam Malik rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi used to knock at the door, staying behind the door. So inculcate the habit of parda in your daughters right from their childhood. Refrain them to adopt male hairstyle, as well as ask them not to wear the clothes and hats of boys so that they consider themselves different than men. And after attaining adulthood, they will not face difficulties in developing their habits and practices according to Sharia. May Allah Azza wa Jal enable us to give upbringing to our daughters in a true Islamic spirit. Ameen. Bijahin Nabiyyil Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.